Hello, welcome to our factory. I am Aurora from STYLECNC. Today we will see our hobby CNC router. This is our 4x4 feet CNC router STG1212. As you can see, it has a 4x4 feet work table, cast iron frame, T-slots covered by PVC material. It equipped with a 2.2 kilowatts water-cooled spindle ensures stable and reliable operation even during long-term use. This is our electrical box. As you can see, the electrical box is very neat. It can reduce the frequency breakdowns and downtime, and the voltage we can customize it to what you need. Each machine has the oil lubricator for the guide rails to extend the machine's lifespan. These machines are customized for a school for educational purpose. Now let's turn on one machine to see how it works. Okay. After you finish your designed file, you can insert the USB and transform your file into the controller. Now we can operate the design file. Press the run. Both the internal file and USB file. You can see the work speed and you can see the work speed on it and run it. This is the MDF board. When you use it to cut it, you can equip the machine with a dust collector. This is MDF board cutting.